Hey everybody, what's up? It's James here with Study Spanish James here. Welcome to day 6 of the Study Spanish James here crash course. We're going to talk about in this quick video travel, which is called Viaje. I'd like for you guys to pay very close attention to me as I go over information in this slide about travel. Now let's begin. The purpose. This presentation is important because it will provide the learned information about traveling in a Spanish-speaking environment. The terminology used here will educate the learner how to communicate effectively while traveling to a Latin American country or Spain. Use the information shared here and apply it on your travel to a new destination. Speak with confidence and always be willing to learn more things at different times. Travel. In Spanish, travel means viaje, that comes from the verb viajar. When traveling to a Spanish-speaking country, it is important to always pay attention to vocabulary terms, phrases, and words used simultaneously. You must be willing to adapt to a new environment and understand the cultural context used in another country during your trip. I will now share with you the words and phrases that you will hear on your trip abroad. Viaje, bienvenidos, welcome. Que tengas un buen viaje. Have a great trip. Que disfrutes tus vacaciones. Enjoy your vacation. Pásalo muy bien en tu viaje. Pass it safely on your trip. ¿Cuándo viajas a México? When are you traveling to Mexico? ¿Por cuánto tiempo viajas? For how long or how much time are you going to be traveling? ¿A dónde vas a viajar? To where are you traveling? ¿Necesitas ayuda con tu reservación? Do you need help with your reservation? Yo necesito ayuda, por favor. I need help, please. Yo hablo poco español. I speak little Spanish. ¿Hablas o habla inglés? Do you speak English? ¿Tienes la hora? Do you have the time? Or what time is it? Yo tengo hambre. I am hungry. Yo tengo sed. I am thirsty. ¿Hay una tienda de comida cerca de aquí? Is there a store close by here? Yo necesito un taxi ahorita. I need a taxi now. ¿Dónde están los baños? Where are the bathrooms? Estoy perdido. Por favor, ayúdame. I am lost. Please help me. ¿Me puede explicar eso en inglés? Can you explain this to me in English? Con permiso. Excuse me. Use this when you're trying to walk past somebody or trying to get by. Por favor, please. No me moleste, por favor. Don't bother me, please. No comprendo nada. I don't understand anything. ¿Dónde estamos? ¿Estoy yo? Where are we? Where am I? Habla despacio, por favor. Speak slowly, please. ¿Hay un banco cerca de aquí? Is there a bank close to here? ¿El banco está cerca de aquí o el banco está lejos de aquí? The bank is close by here or the bank is far from here. ¿Hay un cajero automático para sacar dinero? Is there an ATM machine for getting money? Necesito usar el teléfono. Préstame, por favor. I need to use the phone. Lend it to me, please. ¿Cómo puedo cambiar mi boleto? How can I change my ticket? ¿Tiene un pasaporte con usted? Do you have a passport with you? Por favor, llene este documento. Please fill out this form. ¿Cuándo sale su vuelo por viaje? When does your flight leave for travel? ¿Cuántas personas viajan con usted? How many people are traveling with you? ¿Cuántas maletas tiene usted? How many suitcases do you have? Yo tengo maletas. I have such and such suitcase. ¿Cuál es su nacionalidad? What is your nationality? ¿Tiene visa de turista? Do you have a tourist visa? Why is this helpful? This is important because many people travel a lot to Latin America and Spain for vacation. It is helpful to be familiar with the Spanish words and phrases used in travel so you can communicate openly. Learning these terms will help you to speak with native speakers and learn also too. Practicing your Spanish will prepare you for future trips and also will get you eager to learn more Spanish. These are my sources. And I want to thank you guys very much for showing a lot of effort and interest to continue learning more Spanish. And most of all, for taking very seriously day 6 in the Spanish crash course, which is travel viaje. The information in this slide is going to help you very much when traveling because you're going to hear those types of words and phrases when you're traveling to a destination where Spanish is spoken, and they'll come in handy to help you to communicate and also to express how you feel in certain situations. The goal is to provide you guys a foundation of using the grammar and the terminology to the best of your advantage when it comes to speaking Spanish and to prepare you for your Spanish environment. Well, I look forward to helping you guys in the next video. And thank you very much once again. And take care.